welcome to the channel. Today I will be showing us how we can implement grid view in our custom view. So the first thing I did was to on app compact to enable the library. Why I did that is because of in my custom grid view, the layout file, I'm using a card view. So if you are not using a card view, there's no need of, if you are using a linear layout, you don't need to enable app compact. So let's get started. In our main.xml, I added a button. When this button is clicked, I created a dialog. So using my activity name, the CUS, which is the short form for custom, I created a custom view called CUS. Inside my CUS, I added a grid view and a text view. So we are going back to our on click. When we click on the button, I declare grid view. Grid view 1 is the name of my grid view ID and is the name of the grid view object. So I declare grid as my grid view in my course layout, and this is my custom view, this view. So that is grid view 1. So I declare grid. I created a grid object when the button is clicked, so it should be equals to this grid. Then my adapter class, which extend base adapter. So if you are going to, if here my custom view name is for the grid view. Now I first created a custom view for my dialog. So this is a custom view for the grid view. So this is a custom view here, custom grid. If your name is not equals to custom grid, you put the name there. Just replace custom grid with your own custom view name. So then this is my unbind custom view. I added a text, and a card view. So this is the card view, this text view 1, but I'm not going to define card view because I'm not using it. But if you are going to use it, you are going to have to define it. So I was using text view. Since I'm going to use text view, I'm going to carry out action in text view. That's why I define text view, because of at runtime I'm going to set text. With our data added to list map. So this is my data added to list map. Created a list map list, and a list string str. So I created a map variable called map. Then using our repeat block, that is the amount of time I'm going to add this data. This is the amount of time I'm going to have this data. So then I'm adding this map to list map. When I add a map to list map, using this block, then in our adapter, mind you, my adapter name is Sketchly. If your adapter name will not be Sketchly, if your adapter name will be, let's say, grid, my grid view, then you should change this to my grid view also, because that's what you use to call the adapter. So when text view 1 is clicked, we are going to toast the position of the text view. So when we click it, we'll toast the position. So we're setting text based on the list map. We're setting text underscore data. You can use underscore data, or you can write my list map. You can use underscore data, or you can write my list map. there. So the two of them will work. They are the same values. So underscore position is the position it is on the list view. Key is the key I use. In creating the data in map before I added it to list map. So key is what I use. So we're going to run the project. Mind you, if you also need this project, I'm going to upload it to this app. So there you can get I'm going to upload it to Sketchware. So you can get Sketchware from Play Store, or you can I will put the download link. I'll put the download link in the video description. You can get the source code from there, or the project as the case may be. So you can download the project from here. I will upload it here. You can download it. Here is where I upload all my projects. So you can download the project from here and get it. So when we click on it, this is it. When we click on the item in the grid view, it shows the position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it started from 0. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Project link will be in the description.